Previously on First Travel and Eats.
How's it taste? Tastes good?
I don't know what they did with the bacon, but it's so flavorful. Eat one of the bacon.
Really?
Alright, we're at the top. I'm too tired. Say hi, Lisa.
Hi. The walk up
Hey.
doesn't matter and the shower.
After experiencing such great views and eats in Italy, our great travelers are finally returning to the city that never sleeps. Will they experience a turbulent ride back home? Stay tuned in to find out. Leaving the hotel, okay, well, probably not a really enjoyable hotel because it's a little kind of crappy, but at least it was convenient. And we got like a sort of nice view of buildings. There's a Chinese restaurant there. Alright, we're waiting for the train to start. We're early, thankfully. There's two trains right in front of each other. This one's going first. That one is going second. One last look at the train station. Right, about to leave the Roma to Rimini. We're on the train. We're on the express train. A lot of people. Oh my god.
I'm glad our hotel is really close.
I'll say I'm trying to go to the train. Yep.
We have to go all the way to the gas station.
Oh, right, the thing, the Bernino thing.
I missed it.
Huh? Alright, we're walking towards the airport now. We got off the train. The airport. Look out. 2 hours to spare. Wait. Well, I'm not doing that. Let's go. We have time to spare, huh?
It's a lot faster.
Fine, we'll go down that way.
Oh, it is too.
Alright. Alright, we're at the airport and we checked in our stuff. No, I think it's over here. We're not fast track. So we checked in and our baggage stuff and we're about to go through immigration. So we're about to go to security, so see you guys later. Alright, we're past security and now we're on our way to the lounges. Hopefully it's open. Give it a look. Quick look.
Careful.
Oop. And we're off. Alright, we got into one of the lounges, thankfully, Jesus Christ, but it is filled up. We got some food over here that I got for a quick bite, and Lisa's gonna go. Oh wait. Wasn't the thing working? Oh no, what? Alright, one of the handles is coming off. That's why I couldn't zoom in earlier. But here, take a look at this. Food area. Lisa's right there getting food. Alright, we left. Yeah, because there's people that smoke. But we left the lounge. Now we're going to go to our flight, which should be soon. Alright, we found our flight.
Yes, we did.
And it's right there. A46. Wait, are we in the right area? I hope we are.
Yes, we are, because this side where the lounges are where the bigger numbers, like after 26.
Alright, we're good then.
46. Time to find 46.
Alright, let's go down. That's
Is that a different place?
That's the same place. Oh my god.
What would this be?
No, that's not. We couldn't go into that one.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, exactly. We're not boards. Alright, let's go.
Oh, we got like a minority in there. I'm very surprised to see that there were no other, like, or maybe like they went to a different lounge.
Maybe, but remember, the thing is, we're in Rome, where there's little Asian people, and on top of that, we're in a priority pass place too. So it's even sectioned even more off. Wait, 43, right?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Wait, was it 43? Yeah, we got also the video.
Well, I'll stop it now to look at it. Alright, we made it to the gate.
Wait, why does that little child look so familiar?
I have no idea.
Probably saw, some of these people here we probably saw.
On the train?
One on the train, two on the trip.
What trip?
We went to the Colosseum and the Roman Forum.
Well, I doubt we'll recognize any of them. There's hundreds of thousands of people we probably passed by.
You would recognize a little child sometimes.
Uh-huh. Alright, last time on Roman soil. We're about to leave.
Italians.
Roman? We're in Rome. Alright, we're going. We're on the plane.
Yes, we are. The last time I was using free Wi-Fi from the. How do you pronounce his name?
I don't know. Fiumicino
Airport.
I don't know. That's a close approximation to the pronunciation.
So what I learned was the letter C is the Chinese after.
Oh, we're supposed to go all the way over there. Yep. Alright, we're Lisbon. We're leaving. Yeah, no crappy bus. Where are we? Alright, we're gonna go find our flight, get some food. Alright, we're in the Lisbon Airport right now, so just waiting for Lisa to be done with the bathroom. I'm gonna eat something small, and we'll wait for another 4 hours for a flight. Alright, we went to Tradicionales and Aloma for some, was it stuffed rice?
Yes, this is a traditional Portuguese rice dish. Arroz de pato.
Oh, and then some eggplants.
For this rice.
Oh well, it's a nice fork too. Wait, you just put it down somewhere? Yes.
Did you want to keep it?
No. I'm just surprised you gave a metal fork.
Alright, well, I'm gonna get a little duck in this rice.
How's it?
But really better than that duck pasta.
Huh?
A little better than that duck pasta.
Wow. Wait, duck pasta? Which duck pasta? Oh.
There you go. Anyway, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it's time to try to bake it. This bacon actually has bone in it.
Definitely flavorful. Alright, I'm gonna try the egg tart. What? What, me?
No, you gonna try bacon?
Alright, fine. Bacon's good. Yeah.
How does it compare to the Asian one?
The what?
How does it compare to the Asian one?
What do you mean Asian one?
The Asian Portuguese egg tarts. You know the Macau, Hong Kong Portuguese egg tarts is derived from this, right?
I didn't eat this, right? Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about.
No, I'm about the bacon.
I wanted this because it's. I thought it was like paella.
Wait, is that egg tart's supposed to be cold because it feels not warm.
Well, this is different. Egg tart in the Hong Kong version is warm, but in the Portuguese version, it's actually the cold dessert. It looks tasty. I lost the words.
Oh, whoa.
Any compliments? Any compliments? Commentary? All I just hear are you eating.
Can I just buy box closure?
Can you take it on the plane?
Hmm?
As long as they let you take it on the plane,
This is good. I don't know. Okay. The Portuguese in like Chinatown and like watching the Portuguese like egg tarts, they feel completely fake compared to what this one is.
Really?
I don't know why, but the outer crust is like crunchy enough. It's like a.
Should I
Oh
try?
yeah. Give me a second. Alright.
Alright, well look at this egg tart. It's very similar to the Macau one. Let's look at comparison. It has the little brown stuff on top, which is the sugar
Mm-hmm.
that has been caramelized. The sides is flaky, so it's like a pastry base. Obviously, there's eggs.
Just
It
eat
does
it.
look a little small.
Just eat it.
I know, but I just want to admire it a little
Just
more.
eat it.
I didn't get a picture yet of my own.
Oh my god. Alright, you know what? I'll just explain it, okay? I don't know what it is, but the outside is completely crunchy and like it tastes so good. Like it's like I don't know. It's just like it's like crunchy,
Alright,
like chips and stuff like that.
Alright, let's try it now.
And then there's the sweetness of the top. It's a different type of sweetness than regular like Chinese egg tart, but like it's good. I I can't like, but this one's good too. They both have their what do you call it, differences, and it's good.
This one is creamier and sweeter.
Yes.
But the thing is, the sweeter is not like long lasting. It just gets when it first goes in.
Mm-hmm.
And it goes away.
Mm-hmm.
But then it becomes like a savory sweet. That's what I like about it.
Yeah.
They're like they're crust based.
I'm
Actually, really flaky.
yeah.
It's actually better than the Hong Kong, Macau one. In my opinion.
I don't remember the Macau one being. Well, I haven't been to Macau in a while, so I don't remember how exactly it tastes. But this one's really good. I'm actually surprised. It's very different from the regular Chinese egg tarts that I have.
There costs one regular Chinese egg tart.
Huh?
The cost of one regular Chinese egg tart is about $1 to $1.50, right?
Yeah, but this one's
The
$2.40.
one at Hot Long in Chinatown, that's very famous for their Portuguese egg tarts from Macau. It's about $1.85 to $2 for one, right?
Uh huh.
It's smaller. It's not as flaky. It's good. It's very creamy, but it doesn't taste like this at all.
Yeah. 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 So if you're ever in Portugal, eat one of these. We're going on a bus again.
I'm gonna bust it.
Yeah, that's why I said a bus. It's a bus, right? Yeah, it's a bus.
Alright, we're on Andy's favorite bus.
No, it's not my favorite bus.
We thought like we wouldn't be on the bus anymore because when we were coming in here from Italy, we got to take the walkway.
Yeah, but now we're taking bus again,
Oh.
which is annoying. Why are we stopping? Is there a plane in front of me I'm not looking at?
There's traffic light. Hey, it's just like getting my face. I have
Hey,
a
look.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna pause it here.
Oh.
There's nothing to look at besides trains.
Starting.
Alright, we're getting on the thing right now. see you guys later. Probably won't film the takeoff since we're on the window seat. Wait, what?
Not really.
Oh yeah. Also, we bought we
We
talked.
bought half a dozen of the Portuguese egg tarts for our parents.
Yeah.
Because secretly we love to eat it.
Yes. But yeah.
Or we hope they're excited to try it. Because they're more used to like the Macau, Hong Kong type of Portuguese egg tarts.
Chinese egg tarts in general.
The Asian influence. It's technically Eurasian because like they got the idea from the Portuguese anyways. Because Macau used to be a Portuguese.
Yeah, but I didn't know that egg tart was not originally Chinese.
Yeah, they're from. No, it was an egg tart originally started from custard, and then the Portuguese egg tart came from Portugal.
Okay.
It's like the English, the British, and also the Portuguese. Just don't forget, Macau and Hong Kong used to be occupied by foreign countries.
Oh my God, please. Yo, this girl is complaining about. No. We got moved up from 16A to like 12 P&M, and we have so much.
My question is sitting in the middle more expensive than sitting on the sides?
No, it doesn't matter. The sides don't.
Does it matter? We're all in the same section. Our pillow is the same, like the headrest.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. Look, the thing is, we have so much more leg room. Okay, leg room is a commodity. It's like an extremely prized commodity on airplanes.
I think it's the roam water and like toggled him a little bit. I don't understand. It might have been that Portuguese egg tart.
Okay. Please comment on who is more correct: getting more legroom or having like a shitty window seat.
No, window seat for the window seat.
More legroom, like
Window seat.
more legroom. All right, comment. Wait, this is the leg space that I'm talking about. Look at how much leg space I have. Look at it. 16. No, from like the other seats, but like I feel like that'd be rude to the other people. I'm telling you right now, I guarantee you, this is so much more leg space. Anything else? Okay, we're gonna see movies. Alright, here's the food we got. Looks good so far. Some pasta and some chili.
And rice.
Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a tuna, and what is this?
So here we have a tuna and potato salad. We have an almond mousse. You got your little roll here. It comes with cream cheese.
Yeah.
Or is this butter?
I don't know. I can't tell. Cookies. Alright, let's go. Let's eat. Alright. It's been a couple hours and we got a chocolate muffin. Oh yeah, I don't even think we said the other food was really good, right? It's pretty okay actually for airplane food. Oh, I don't know what this is. Okay, does this look like you know what it is again?
It looks like an XL. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Alright, how is it?
I'm about to find out. Cheese.
Is it good?
For some reason, it tastes like a grilled cheese.
Huh?
For some reason, it tastes like grilled cheese.
Oh. Okay, so that's a no. It's not good.
I'm just not sure what it is. Yeah.
Alright. something, it's bread. Alright, we're back in JFK. We're finally home. Finally home. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Global entry.
Okay.
Let's go back to work.
I know, horrible, isn't it?
Hope I didn't forget.
Huh?
Hope I didn't forget.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hope I didn't forget my schedule.
Okay, let's do global entry. Alright, the final leg of the trip of going home. We're finally going home, just waiting for the ride. Next time on First Travel and Eats, our heroes join up with some of their friends to capture some bears and food. Yeah, I know, but I'm like doing this. Wait, what is this?
American Department for Hire.
Yes. How will this restaurant compare with those in Italy? Will they capture enough bears to hit their quota? Tune in next week to find out. Also leave a comment on whether you would prefer the window seat or you would like more legroom. And remember to like and subscribe.